Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to be talking about the structure of the course. As a matter of fact, you can divide the course into two main sections, the theoretical part and the practical part. The theoretical part creates 10% of the whole course and the practical part forms 90% of the course content. So instead of focusing on theories, we will focus on practicing the skills you learn by working on different kinds of projects. In the theoretical part, you will learn about design basics, UI elements, business ideas, etc. And in the practical part, we will design a complete mobile application from scratch. You will also learn about the essentials of web design by designing a modern landing page. We also talk about wireframing, 3D modeling, logo design, and so much more. So if you are a complete beginner, I highly recommend to watch the theoretical part first and then proceed with the course. On the other hand, you can skip the theoretical part and jump into creating a project. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video and I will see you in the next video.